Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a SWOT analysis. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of analysis and thinking. It got the following characteristics. It allows analyzing and tabulating the information collected with any tool, from observation, survey, interview, or any other tool that you got to collect information. It received its name by the initials of the variables that compose it: weakness, opportunities, strengths, and threats, SWOT. The tool is used in the definition and ideation stage in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. This tool allows us to make decisions regarding a project, taking as base the information collecting and analyzing in depth. The SWOT analysis is a management tool that aims to allow us to take decisions regarding the project with the depth focus on the four concepts. Okay, so we are going to make our SWOT analysis. It got like different components that are very important to keep in mind. First is that we got four spaces, but these four spaces got a particular characteristics. For example, if I'm gonna make a SWOT of my current project or my current business, I can do that. If I can make a SWOT when I'm building it, I can do that. It's very important to keep in mind when I'm gonna make it. So the first thing that we analyze is the strengths. What are the strengths of my project? What are the characteristics? The strengths are always positive and are a characteristic that are internal of your business, of your project. You have to be very specific. You have to write here all the positive things that your project or your business have. That is very important. If you are very specific, it will be better for your development. So always write as much as you want with all the strengths that you got. After you got all the strengths, remember that they are all positive and they are internal to your business. You got it right now. It's not something that you wish you have. No, it's something that is real and you can count with that right now. After you write that, you keep with your weakness. This is very important because it's also internal and is negative. And remember, these weaknesses are happening right now. So here you have to be very objective with the analysis and all the things that you write. So be very specific. If you know that you have something that is very weak, you have to write it here. Otherwise, you cannot fix it because you are not putting it in the analysis. So write everything down. After that, you go with the opportunities. The opportunities are positive, but they are something that you don't have right now. These are external. Yeah. So if you see that you can make an alliance with someone or with an organization, or if you can bring something, so the opportunities, you have to be also very specific with all the things that you write here. But remember, if you let it pass an opportunity, it will, something that it was positive became something that is negative. So you have to make and you have to be very productive with the things that you have to do. The thing is that the opportunities, you can turn it into strengths because you make all the things possible that, so your organization, your product, your service, your project become with that strength. So here you have to write it down. It's very important that if you are making a SWOT analysis, try to make it as a group, not just one person, because if you have the perspective with multiple people, that will allow you to keep an open mind and realize and see things that maybe you haven't seen yet. And finally, we have the threats. The threats are very important because they are also external. But for example, if I have a new competitor, I need to see what are the prices that they are having, all the things that they have right now, that if I don't take action, it could be something very bad for my business. So here also, write it down everything. Here, I recommend to make a benchmarking. A benchmarking is a very important tool. If you don't know how to do it, please check the video here in our channel because we have a benchmarking how to do it. So it's very important that you check it out. After you finish the analysis, as a conclusion, we can say that the SWOT analysis is a tool that is easy to use, requires a lot of objective and honestly analysis in their execution, allows you to identify strengths, opportunities of a project, and turn it indefinitely threats and weaknesses, and allows you to take measures to minimize the threats. The key in the correct use of this tool is being very specific and descriptive in each variable and component. So that is very important. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking channel and innovation channel in the whole YouTube platform. Thank you so much. And remember, on Monday we always have a new video in Spanish. On Thursday we always have a new video in English. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.